They ask me, why do they fail? Why don't the customers buy? Well, this is part two. The reason why the customers don't buy because they don't believe. They do not believe that you are giving them what they truly want, that that you have their best interests at your heart. They don't believe you. And if you listen to my first video, it explains to you that 99% of the businesses out there are just to rip the customers off. They just think about themselves. So the question is, why don't they buy? And the answer is because they don't believe you. So what you need to do is you need to do something to convince me that what you are selling me, what you're giving to me, that I want, that I need it, is actually as genuine as I want it to be. You have to convince me of that because I don't believe you. So they don't buy because they don't believe, they don't trust, because they're too occupied and surrounded by people trying to rip them off. So you have to think about the customer's key benefits. What do they actually want? Are you thinking about your customer? You got to design your product and your services to make sure that you go beyond the expectations of your customers. And when things go wrong, make sure that you do 1,000% turn and do exactly what they expect you, if not more. Think something goes wrong with the product, you repair it, you fix it, or you return their money. End off. If you do that, and if you do look after people in a genuine way, then they will recommend you and they will buy from you. And businesses don't do that. So question was, why don't they buy from you? And they don't buy from me because they don't believe us. They're afraid of being ripped off. So we need to give them an unquestionable refund back on whatever product and service they've had from us. If we are as good as we say we are and we care about our customers as much as we say we do, then you should be able to give me a guarantee that protects my money, my investment in the product and service that I'm buying from you. If I am not 100% happy with what you've given me or sold me, then I should be entitled to having my money back. And you really shouldn't be in business if you're not able to deliver 100% and beyond what you're charging people for. So that's why people don't buy. You got to look at what people want and give it to them. And 99% of the businesses don't do that. They do not go out and master and study the skills and the strategies, the principles they need to employ. But if you keep coming to this channel, we will educate you them. Bit by bit, we'll reveal the top secrets to you. One of them for you for today is this. Top 1% of the businesses in the world that are truly and extremely exponentially successful are there because they have a long-term relationship with their customers. They truly care about the well-being of their customer and look after them because they know by doing so they will get value, return, investment business from the customer long-term, lifetime. And it is that investment that keeps the companies going higher and higher and higher and protects them from bankruptcy in the future. See you in the next video.